Hello friends, today we are going to make lotus shape tea light candle holder from the air dry clay. So let's quickly check what all we need. We need something to cut the air dry clay and it should be size of your tea light candle, knife, rolling pin, paintbrush and paint. So let's get started. Flatten the air dry clay with the help of rolling pin. And now we will cut it using this bottle cap. Remove the excess clay. We will flatten it a little bit more. Similarly, we will flatten this as well. And if you think it's hard for you to pull the clay, you can use the knife as well. Make the shape of the petal. And paste the clay. Similarly, we will do with the other petals. We will make all the petals like this and paste it onto this. So now the first layer is ready. We will try with the second layer. We will place the petal in between these two. It completely depends on you how big you want to make your flower to look. I'm just making a small one because I've already tried a long one, a much bigger one than this one. Give it a desired shape right now, because once it dry it won't change. So if you want to make any changes, do it right now. Now we will start with the third layer. I will press firmly to the center. Put your tea light candle holder, tea light candle. And your lotus shape tea light candle holder is ready. We will allow it to dry for around 36 hours, and then we will paint it. So this is the bigger size I've made, and it's completely dry. So the size completely depend on you, which size you want to make. So let's paint it. We will start from the center. I am painting it red. You could choose any color, baby pink, yellow, and if you want to give it a shine, apply glaze, or if you don't have that, you can just apply a clear nail polish so that it will shine. Because right now, if you could see, it is having a matte color. It's not glossy at all. Paint it till the bottom. So this is the final look. Allow it to dry for at least 2 to 3 hours and then it's good to go. Your own tea light candle holder is ready. If you like the video, please do give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.